Hello, in this video I will show you how you can create own window types or door types for the measurement app. You get here in settings with the gear icon. Go to alle Einstellungen. We will also translate all these menu points in the next time, but actually you go to this icon and scroll here down and select this one. Here you can upload your own window types, and when you select here the range for the window, the description or the caption for this, upload a picture, and these pictures are also displayed as window type here in this selection menu. You can also find here your new and own picture here. I will check if I know here is actually not uploaded manually pictures, but I can directly show you this. Select this one, this menu point, select for the fenestra, select a picture. I'm gonna search OK. I have this one. It's only for a demo. Save, and here the picture is available. And when you start with a measurement, you can also see here, okay, this is the window type.